Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to host a website Hostinger, updated. Create your account, pick a hosting plan, and register or connect your domain now. Next, access the H panel to manage DNS, install SSL, and set up email. I will guide you through using the website builder or uploading files via FTP and show simple settings to optimize speed and security for reliable uptime. Open the Hostinger H panel and start by installing your CMS, like WordPress, with the one-click installer for simplicity. Enable SSL to secure your site and update DNS records if your domain is external. I'll walk you through creating email accounts, setting PHP versions, and scheduling backups. We'll also cover basic file management and permissions so uploads work smoothly and your site stays protected and fast for visitors. If this video is helping, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes it fun to work while you build sites, with great sound and voice control that keeps your hands free. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want, and enjoy the tunes while you follow along. Now let's get back to the video. After uploading your files or launching your builder site, set caching and enable the CDN for faster global delivery and fewer load delays. Check PHP settings and database limits to avoid errors during traffic spikes. I'll show quick ways to compress images, minify assets, and use Hostinger tools to monitor performance. Finally, test layout and functions on mobile and desktop to ensure a polished, responsive experience for all visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.